Hey friends, Drew here down in Landenberg in a beautiful attic space. We are getting ready to blow in some new insulation up here to help increase the inner efficiency of this home. And so we're just putting in some of our rulers so that we're going to have an easy way to measure and keep track of just how much material that we've blown in here. And we found a couple of electrical things that we're going to get those nailed back up on the wall where they belong. And then we'll get our team in here tomorrow to come back and install all the baffles down in the eaves, so that if we ever add a soffit vent, then we've got the provisions there for the air to be able to flow up in those soffit vents up the top and out the ridge vent, which could be cut in when the roof gets done in the future. So we're kind of putting provisions in for that now. So if you're having problems with your heating and cooling bills and you'd like to look at increasing the energy efficiency of your home, perhaps air sealing the baseboard around your basement and adding some insulation to the attic, and checking out some of the other potential areas where you are losing some of your heat or some of your cooling, even if it's just air sealing all of the light fixtures that penetrate through the ceiling in your second floor into the attic. Those simple little fixes can do an awful lot to improve the energy efficiency of your home. We will be giving you some more videos and updates on this process and how it all works. But today, it's about getting the tape measures in so that we can see just how much material we've added as we're blowing it in. So that's step one today. And we'll be back on another video to walk you through the next parts of it. We'll catch you guys soon. Bye for now.